My name is Patrick Akizimana, representing Bees of Hope Rwanda Limited. Thank you. In many rural communities in Rwanda, families depend on small-scale farming and keeping, but they face a low income, climate impact, and limited job opportunities, especially for youth and women at the same time. Soil degradation and deforestation are reducing agricultural productivity, making livelihood even more difficult. So, as Bees of Rwanda Limited, we have decided that we are going to provide a sustainable solution through modern beekeeping and honey production. We train rural farmers, youth, and women, and equip them with modern beehive and tools. Bees naturally produce honey while also improving crops pollination, increase agriculture yields, and income at the same time. We collect honey from cooperative, process it safely, and sell it to local and regional market. And what makes our solution unique is that combine environment production, environment protection, income generation, climate smart agriculture. Beekeeping requires little land, no chemical fertilizer, and support biodiversity. It also low cost, high impact solution for rural transformation. So far, we have directly support the rural household with training and beehives improving their income and skills. Farmers are now earning from honey sales, also seeing better crops due to improved pollination. Communities are also becoming more environmentally aware and engaged in conservation practice. With these plies found, we will scale from hundreds to thousands of beneficiaries, expand into new districts, increase honey production, and build the solar-powered processing facility to improve efficiency and quality. Our vision is to build a leading climate-smart beekeeping enterprise in Rwanda that empower community and restore ecosystems. We should win this prize because we are not only creating income, we are building sustainable solution that fights poverty, support food security, and protect the environment at the same time. Thank you.